what I knew about emotions and emotional intelligence was so limited. I think this entire 2 days have been really, really like path breaking for me, and I really wanted to understand more deeply on what I will be conducting. I'm maybe conducting just for 1 hour emotional intelligence session in my first time, leadership training that we are doing for regional managers and cluster managers, which I only pushed. So I wanted to make sure that what I take back, from this session is valuable, and it is a very complicated topic, to be honest. What I thought and what I have learned today, I think there is a big learning curve for me, which I have really self awareness, for that matter, the Johari window. I mean, all these important, I mean, these are all available, like online sab milta hai, but then there is no one to take you through, make you understand. And this particular program, I think, has achieved, by far, I think for me, it is one of the best. Both of you, I think, have been very patient. All the activities were like, putting us back into the thought process of what have you taken back. Nothing is left for chance, nothing is left ki बाद में देखो, बाद में करेंगे. It was everything ki now what have you taken back, now what do you see, and chances for us to apply, the opportunity to apply in immediate role plays to see how it works. I think that is brilliant. Thank you very much, both of you, and all the team, like everybody over here. Thank you very much. I have never felt so comfortable. I cannot begin to tell you. I'm very, very grateful to have come across ProTouch and Dr. Aparna Sethi, and of course now Rahul. It's for me, it is amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much.